Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaurya's Fun Zone. So, happy Republic Day to everyone. On this occasion of Republic Day, we'll be making a caricature. So, you can make caricature of any topic, but on this occasion of Republic Day, we'll be making a specific caricature of a freedom fighter, Gandhiji. So, before starting the video, please follow me on Instagram and subscribe my videos. So, let's begin. So, first, here's a rough diagram of the caricature of Gandhiji. So, first, we're making two U's. So, you can see the two U's. One is the bigger one, and second is the smaller one right below it. So, I have made these two. And now we're making this slant line and a curved line. So by this Gandhiji's clothes will be complete. Now we'll make neck of Gandhiji and these wrinkles on his neck. So I have made a sketch pen line and then smudged it with my fingers. So the ink of the sketch pen fades and make this effect. So now we'll make these two lines of Gandhiji's face. Now we'll go with the ear. So you can separate the ear with 2 points. First is the C on the upper side and second is the small u below. So by these techniques you can make a caricature with very simply. So now we'll make the head of Gandhiji. So as the paper is something short, I have cut the top head of Gandhiji and only this part is left. So you can make a small one to fit the whole picture, but this also looks awesome. Now we'll make these small hairs of Gandhiji, as Gandhiji had almost no hair, but there was some of the hair so we'll make these with the smudging effect that we did on the neck of Gandhiji like this. And I have made the wrinkles of Gandhiji's head also and done some detailing in the ears. Now I have made two circles. These are the specs that Gandhiji wore. And now we'll make this mustache of Gandhiji and give some lines here to give a hair effect and now we'll make the eyes of Gandhiji. So as this is a caricature, we'll be making something funny. So these are not like real eyes that we make like a fish, but these are some simple lines, and we'll make the specs also, complete the specs also, and give these curved lines to make the structure of Gandhiji's face. Here we'll connect the upper part with the top head's curved line like this and make a dig like a bend with the eyes and join the bend with the lower part of Gandhiji's face, which we attached with the nose. And we made a simple two lines and a curve to make the nose. And now I'll show you after doing this all. Now eyes are clear, but we are left with the eyebrows and the mouth. So first we'll go with the eyebrows and make these lines which are small from the ends and thicker from the between from the middle, and do the same on this eyebrow also. So you can see these are thinner from the sides edges and thicker from the middle. And I'll fill it with the black sketch pen only. So I am making this caricature black and white, but you can make a colored caricature also, but I thought the black and white caricature would look more interesting. So I have made these two curved lines as the mouth of Gandhiji, and I'll fill the upper part with a black sketch pen, and then I'll rub all the pencil lines, and then our caricature will be totally complete. So you can see our caricature is totally complete. But if you are saying that there are some effect, the smudging effect. So you can see in the starting of the video I told how to give these. You have to just smudge with your fingers in 1 second after using the sketch pen. And if you see some dark patches at the circles at the speck, so these are all of the sketch pens. So take care of this. And here you can see a sign, but this is totally optional. This gives a professional look, but this is totally optional. From here, our caricature is totally complete. So follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link is in the description box below. And subscribe and like my videos. Bye bye, guys.